Flour, pepper, hot dog.
We are two millennials striving to make reality of our dream of a more self-sufficient life, with the forest as our closest neighbor. After many years of saving and searching, we finally found our dream property. A now overgrown little homestead of 17 acres surrounded by the deep forests of western Sweden.
The plan is to once again build an homestead on this land off the grid. With no road access and no earlier experience of either building or gardening, we are trying to make it work with what we have and lots of good books and YouTube tutorials.
To keep the cost and transportation time down, we are milling our own lumber to build with.
We unfortunately cannot create all of our building materials on our own. Now that we have the structural lumber for our first building finished, we need to carry in the material for the foundation to the build site.
Between the leca blocks, concrete slabs and gravel, the total weight will land on about a ton.
We have quite some variation of the terrain, with everything from rocky hills to bog on the way there.
Vi måste ju komma förbi.
I still haven't found a decent way to carry the concrete slabs. Sometimes it crosses my mind, are you really this crazy? And the answer is always yes. We got a homestead to build.
Kommer förbi där. Stark.
Jag försöker.
Jag lovar.
Man blir ganska svettig.
Ja, ja.
We have so many broad beans at the moment that I have a pretty hard time keeping up with them. I think I'll have to freeze some going forward.
Är det bara att äta den så här?
Ja,
liksom?
ja.
Okej. Ja,
Den är
ja.
lite kryddig.
Blomma. Oj ja.
Det är ganska mycket smak ju.
Den är kryddig.
Ja, eller hur?
Den var god.
Ja, men visst är den.
Ja. You need a good balance between healthy and ultra-processed in your diet, right? Vad ska vi kalla den? Flower pepper hot dog. Det var gött.
Verkligen.
Oh. Ah.
Now that we have the materials in place, we can measure and prepare the build site.
Funny to think that the wood that has overgrown this spot will actually stay here, just in another form.
Tar vi lite förnusan igen. Har vi hypotenusa?
Next up will be to lay the foundation, which we're so excited and, not gonna lie, pretty nervous about. Now the serious building really start, and again, all of this is really the first time for us.
Ska vi se. Ska vi gå in i vårat hus?
Thank you so much for following along on this crazy journey of ours. We really appreciate all of your wise and encouraging words. You're the best. See you soon.
Har vi lite att städa upp här då? Vi sätter igång med det.